Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So this is corrections to the word problem 2. So the first question we have there, so we have to interpret. Don't forget all the steps. So we read the question from beginning to the end first. If half of the difference between a certain whole number and a 7 equals 1/3 of the number, which of the following is twice the number? So let's interpret again. Let's now interpret it. If half of the difference between a certain whole number and 7. So certain whole number, let the number be. So let the number be. So let the number be x. So the sum, the difference between this x and 7, that is x minus 7. Half of it, that is 1/2, equals to 1/3 of the number 1/3 of x. So that is the interpretation. So which means we can have it to be x minus 7/2 equals to x/3. We can have it this way. So from here we can solve this further. So cross multiply, we have 3x minus 21 equals to 2x. So we collect like term, that will be 3x minus 2x equals to 21. All right. Therefore, x equals to 21. But the question says you have to be very careful. The question says which of the following is twice the number? This is the number. The number is 21. Twice of it means 21 times 2. That gives 42. But if care is not taken, you just, because you have arrived, you've got 21, you just go and pick 21, whereas the answer is 42. So that's the reason why you have to read the question very well and then before you pick your answer. So second question, the sum of three consecutive numbers. Sum of three consecutive numbers. Three consecutive numbers means numbers such as you could have 1, 2, 3. So they follow the same pattern. So consecutive numbers. So that means, so if the first number is x, the second number will be x plus 1. The third number will be what? X plus 2. So the sum of all these, that is at the addition, so that when you add them together, is equals to 78. So find the largest number. So the largest number is x plus 2. So we want to get the largest number here. But before that, let's solve this first. So x plus x plus x, that gives us 3x. 1 plus 2, that gives us plus 3, equal to 78. I hope I'm making sense. So from here now, we can have 3x equal to 78 minus 3, and that will give us 3x equal to 75. So therefore, x equals to, we are dividing by 3, 3 cancel 3. So 3 in 7, that is 2, remainder 1. 3 in 15, that is 5. That is 25. But the question says, find the largest number. And the largest number is x plus 2. That means 25 plus 2, which will give us what? 27. So the answer is equal to what? 27. I believe this is clear. All right, move to the third question. The third question we have, if 45 is added to a certain number, 45 is added to a certain number, and the result is divided by 9. So the quotient is 8. What is the number? So, and they are now giving us hints that quotient is the result obtained by dividing a number by another number. So that means, let's now interpret this. 45 is added to a certain number. Let the number be y. So that means 45 is added to y, and this is divided by 9. The result is equal to 8. That's what it means. So from here now, we can have this to be y plus 45 equals to 9 times 8, which is 72. I hope I'm making sense. So that means y equal to 72 minus 45. Am I making sense? So therefore, 72 minus 45. So this will give us 7, then 27. So y equals to 27. So that is this option. I hope that is clear, right? All right, question 4 now. So if 80, let's divide this into 2. 80 is divided by the sum of 4 and a certain number. So let the number be be y, right? Be y. So 80 is divided. You have to be very careful with this type of question, right? Because 80 is divided by the sum of 4 and certain, that is y plus 4. Excuse me. And the result is 16. So make this 1 over 1. We cross multiply here. That means we're going to have 16 into y plus 4 equals to 80. So we open this, that gives us 16y. So 16 times 4 gives us 64 equals to 80. We collect like terms, that will be 16y equals to 80 minus 64. So that will be 16y equals to 16. So y equals to 1. So that's the answer here. It's so easy. Then the last question we have here. So when the sum of 40 and a certain number is divided by 9, when the sum of 40 and a certain number, the sum of 40 and a certain, that's certain number, let that certain number be x, sum of 40 and it plus 40 is divided by 9, you divide it by 9, the result is equal to 8. So find the number. So how do we do this? So just cross multiply here, that gives us x plus 40 equal to 72. So 8 times 9 is 72. So that will be 72 minus 40, all right, and that gives us x equals to 32. That means the number is 32. So that is that on this. I hope this is very clear to you. So we're going to meet in our next class. So bye for now.